7 days free course on YouTube, the best Prostream tutorial. All right, so I'm going to share my screen with you and show you something All right, so let me show you something really quickly. Let's go to YouTube. Let's go to YouTube, right? All right, so I think you're watching me on YouTube. Maybe not, who knows, right? But on YouTube, you search my name, right? Comes right up right here. By the way, if you don't notice, I do have over 1,000 videos, over 1,100 videos here that you can learn everything about real estate, by the way. So we're gonna click on that and scroll, right? And then you scroll here, you can see that we have our top 10 videos here which you can watch. So go ahead and watch some of this. These are some of the greatest videos I've ever recorded for this topic in particular. Let me make sure you can see my screen. Yeah, so it's on my channel homepage. You can see that, okay? So now there's this course, right, that I wanted you to see. There's this course. Let's see. Okay, so you see this course right here, free wholesale real estate course. Okay, let me just see something here. All right, good. So there's this course. It's called free wholesale real estate course. Okay, and this course is 7 days, not 7 days, 7 video courses. Okay, very short, precise, to the point. And what it does is that it demonstrates how to use Prostream. Prostream is one of the greatest software ever created, in my opinion, when it comes to this business. I've been around for a while, okay? And when it comes to this business, I think literally like a one-stop shop. You can do everything from inside of Prostream. And you know that if there's any kind of secret in this game, it's really consistency. That's it. There's nothing else. There's no secret. There's no sneaky little secret or anything like that. So if you're looking for the best Prostream tutorial, okay, this right here, this video, there's 7 videos right here. If you literally come to my homepage and you click on play all, it will start playing it, okay? And you can see here that there are 7 videos on 7 videos right there, right? Let me just see here. So click it from here. Yeah, there's 7 videos. There's the first one covers how to wholesale real estate step by step. It's like an overview, like a quick overview to understand how the game works. And I always tell people, you know, for a long time I was charging $15,000 for personal coaching and mentorship in this game. I charge a little bit less for the actual courses, but you know, I came to realize after a while that some people actually do have more time than they have money to invest in the business, and that's okay. It's like listen, in my opinion, time is worth more than money. Okay, so if that's what you got, then you can absolutely still do this business, right? So and that's why I created the 7-day course. Okay, literally the 7-day course, at least it can get you your first deal. Okay, but it depends on how diligent you are, because the reason why people pay for courses or coaching or mentorship is not necessarily because of the content. Like I said, I have 1,100 pieces of content on this YouTube channel alone, and they're good enough. The reason why people pay for coaching and personal coaching and mentorship a lot of times is personal accountability, right? Accountability, also being able to stay through a course. You have somebody holding you accountable through the process. You have somebody that can answer questions for you on the fly, because the truth is that videos can't necessarily answer right away. We try our best to respond to comments, but the truth is that videos can't respond to everything. So this is a course that literally demonstrates how to use the software Prostream, but it's actually a course. Okay, so you learn how the game works, and you can you literally bookmark this, use this, get your first deal, maybe get your second deal, and then you can decide to invest in more more high level coaching and mentorship for the business of wholesaling. Okay, so it's called Free Wholesale Real Estate Course. If you're on a different screen or something like that, you can literally you can Google search or YouTube search Free Wholesale Real Estate Course by Ola, and it comes right up. Okay, the first one is how to wholesale real estate step-by-step overview. The second one is how to find motivated sellers. You're not finding motivated sellers, nothing happens. Okay, how do you find them? Marketing for wholesale real estate. Like I always said, the core of this business is marketing. This is about marketing. This is not real estate agency. You're not representing the interest of sellers and buyers. As a matter of fact, in certain states, that's illegal practice. If you're not licensed, it becomes illegal. But of course, you can get a license for less than $200 in a lot of states, right? And the fourth one is mastering after repair value, MAO, which is maximum allowable offers, because you'll be making offers. How to make offers, the right formula and the script, what to say to get a person to sign a contract with you. The contract is what you turn around and you assign to other people for a fee. Okay, it's absolutely legal as long as everyone is on the same page, and especially if you can execute very fast. If you can find deals and you can execute very fast, then there's nothing to worry about. Your sellers will be happy to helping them get rid of a property that's in one way, shape, or form is undesirable. Maybe the house needs a lot of fixes, a lot of work to be repaired. Maybe the finances cannot tolerate that asset on their books. It's become liability, right? There are many reasons why people will want to sell to you very cheaply. But the idea is you learn how to make an offer. All right, make an offer. Your offer is accepted. Then you move on to the next stage, which is contracts and assignments, right? How does that work? Is it illegal? How do you make sure you do things in a legal way? How do you make sure that you're delivering, right? How do you build a team without paying them that actually helps you execute a full deal where you can make 10, 12, 7, $82,000 per deal, right? And then the second to last here is called the how to find cash buyers. You have to assign these deals. Once you find a contract, you don't want to be signing up contracts and not assigning those deals. Eventually to come back and bite you in the butt, or will bite a whole state in the butt, because too many people signing contracts that are not being executed will create laws, regulations that are not necessary, that would simply restrict everyone from doing what they do, right? But if that's what it comes to, oh well, right? But the bottom line here is that you want to make sure that you have access to cash buyers, and this software that I'll be demonstrating here with my friend actually give you access to all the cash buyers you need. And these are proven cash buyers, not just people that claim they buy houses like a lot of wholesalers, right? So that you can focus on assigning the deal as fast as possible, because if you're too slow assigning deals, that also creates chaos for everyone in the business. Okay, and then last but not least, I talk about how to start. Okay, because one of the biggest things is people get stuck at getting started. Believe it or not, that's like the biggest question I get. How do I get started? And like, how do I get started? Give me some money, right? But obviously that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about what's the first point, right? And there's a whole video right there that really explains what's the first point, the first line of action that you need to take to make this work for you. But it's doable. I've done it. There's tons of people that have done it. Tons of people continue to close more deals every day. No license required, no experience required. As long as you're not representing people's interests, you don't need extra level of cash for capital. You're not buying a house. You're securing deals for other people, and they'll pay you handsomely to do that all day long, right?